Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the DXGI ERROR DEVICE HUNG game crash on your Windows PC. The first solution is to perform a clean installation of your graphics driver. Download Display Driver Uninstaller, also known as DDU, and restart your computer into safe mode. Run DDU and completely remove your current NVIDIA or AMD graphics driver. After your PC restarts, visit the official NVIDIA or AMD website and download the latest graphics driver for your graphics card. Next, verify your game files. Open your game launcher, such as Steam or Epic Games. Find the game that is crashing, right-click it, open Properties or Manage, and select the option to verify or check the integrity of the game files. Next, go to the General tab and disable the Steam in-game overlay option. Finally, disable background overlays. Close Discord completely or turn off its in-game overlay from Discord settings. Thanks for watching.